Bassett Industries delivers quality tubular and fabricated sheet components, weldments, and assemblies. The largest tube fabrication facility on the East Coast. ISO 9001:2015 certified. Members of AWS, FMA, SME. Our engineering department uses 3D modeling and simulation software to determine feasibility of all parts prior to production runs. We process tubes and structural shapes up to 27 feet in length, including steel and aluminum. State-of-the-art CNC tube benders bend radii from 1D mandrel bends to large, sweeping roll bent parts 3/8 inch to 6 inches diameter. Roll bending and forming tubes, channels, angle iron, I-beams, square, rectangular material. Our multiple tube lasers can add features including holes, slots, miters, and patterns while cutting to length. Round, square, rectangular tubes and structural shapes up to 9¼ inch diameter and 4,000 pounds can be processed. The 4x2 meter fiber laser delivers speeds 4 to 5 times faster than conventional CO2 lasers, reducing lead times and costs. It accurately cuts materials including steel, aluminum, copper, and brass. Multiple 5-axis lasers allow post-processing of features with extreme precision. Multiple machining centers and 2D, 3D CAD programming software provide greater productivity and allow us to complete complex parts in one operation. Multiple large format water jets include cutting sizes up to 275 inches long by 120 inches wide, with thickness up to 12 inches, pressure up to 90,000 psi, and tolerances to plus or minus 0.003 inches. Our press brakes use precision tooling to form sheet metal parts that range, from 14 feet in length to small complex box-style products with numerous bends. In-house CWIs and certified welders certified to AWS D1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 guarantee quality on MIG, TIG, and spot weldments. We can weld large components up to 20,000 pounds and sizes up to 10 feet height by 14 feet width by 120 feet length. Multiple 2D and 3D CMMS, engineering capabilities, advanced inspection equipment, along with in-house training ensure all jobs exceed quality expectations. Our skilled team delivers on engineering service, packaging, shipping, and billing to exceed our customers' expectations. Contact us to arrange a visit to our facility and meet our people.